Good morning, students. Students, in previous video we have gone through lesson number 4 of grammar, and that is pronouns. And here you can see the pronouns definition is given and the various types of pronouns are here. So pronouns are words that take place of nouns. Here it is given. Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns, and we use pronouns in place of nouns so that we do not have to repeat the nouns. The words I, me, you, he, him, she, her, it, we, us, they, them are called personal pronouns. We have different types of pronouns. Here are possessive pronouns, then reflexive, and this reflexive pronouns, the words that are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, yourselves, and ourselves are called reflexive pronouns and sometimes used as emphasizing pronouns. Now, the next is demonstrative pronouns. The words these, that, those, when used in place of nouns, are called demonstrative pronouns. Indefinite pronouns, the words one, some, none, few, others, all, and many are called indefinite pronouns. The next one is distributive pronouns. The words every, each, neither, and either are called distributive pronouns. Then reciprocal pronouns, the words each other and one another are called reciprocal pronouns. Interrogative pronouns, the words which, who, what, whose, etc. used for asking questions are called interrogative pronouns. And the last one you can see over here is relative pronouns, and the words which, who, whom, what, and that used for joining sentences that are called relative pronouns. Now, based on all these pronouns we have gone through, we have exercise over here, and the first question A1 is fill in the blanks with the pronouns given. Fill in the blanks with the pronouns given, and you can see in the option here the pronouns are given here, and the first question is what? I know Arun and Arun knows me. It is already done for us that I know Arun and I has been changed to here me. Now see the second one. You know Anu and Anu knows you. You know Anu and Anu knows you. You will be the answer here. Third one, he knows Amar and Amar knows him. He knows Amar, Amar knows him. Fourth, we know Karun and Karun knows us. We here change to us. We know Karun and Karun knows us. She knows Charan and Charan knows her. She has been changed here to her. Sixth one, they know Pooja and Pooja knows them. They know Pooja and Pooja knows them. Now see the second one. It is given in the sentence form, that is complete the following with the pronouns given. So first one is here. Rita looked at the mangoes. We know that. What is pronoun? The words that take the place of nouns. So first here Rita is given. Rita looked at the mangoes. Rita is a girl and she looked at the mangoes, fruit's name, and it is given in the plural form, mangoes. So dash looked ripe. Dash looked ripe means they. Here options are given. You can see in the bracket the options are given and we have to select the correct one and write in the blanks. So they looked ripe. Dash wanted to eat. She wanted to eat. She wanted to eat Them, T-H-E-M, them. She wanted to eat them. The teacher told the students that they must listen to her carefully, and then here they must listen to her carefully. Then she read out an important notice. She read out an important notice. Now third one. Once upon a time there was a poor woman. She had a son named Balu, and they lived in a small hut. And it was near the sea. Fourth one, there was a tailor who had three sons. He told them that they must learn to do some useful work. Fifth one, Ali Baba followed the robbers to the cave, and he saw them enter it. He knew that they had kept all their treasure in it. Now students, you all know very well that the notes of all these you will get on Saturday as a PDF. C1. Now see, the next question is C, and in C question what it is asking, fill in the blanks with the given words. Fill in the blanks with the given words, and the words which are given over here are pronoun. The words you can see here, the given words are pronouns. So first one, see, do you like dash new house? So here the first answer will be, do you like your new house? Second, tomorrow is Mona's birthday. She is going to invite all her friends. Third one, I want to phone Rakesh. Can I have his phone number? Fourth one, look at this cat. Its eyes are so bright. Fifth one, we are celebrating New Year's Day. We are going to invite all our neighbors. Sixth one, I like cricket. It is my favorite game. It is my favorite game. Seventh one, Mr. and Mrs. Mehra live in Delhi. Their son is studying in Pune. Then eighth one, Arjun lives with his uncle and aunt. Ninth one, can you give me your pen? Tenth one, that is the last one, a camel has a hump on its back. So this is over C1. Now see the D1, what it is given. Complete the following with the pronouns given. Again you can see the options are given, and the options which are given here are pronouns. The words that are given here are pronouns. Now you can see in the box it is given. As we have learned about possessive pronouns, likewise we will have possessive adjectives when we will be learning the adjectives lesson. There we will have this, that is possessive adjectives. The words like in a possessive pronouns we used in a similar way in a possessive adjectives. That is, the words such as my, our, your, his, her, its, and their that comes before a noun are called possessive adjectives. Now here the words are given as you have seen the words. Now the questions here, first one is, this is my bag and this bag is mine. That my has been changed here to mine. Second one, it is our house. It is our house. This house is ours. Third one, it is your book. It is yours. It is yours. Now fourth one, these are his glasses. These glasses are his. Fifth one, they are her shoes. They are hers. It is their car. It is theirs. So this is over. Now see the E one. What is the E question over here? Fill in the blanks with the pronouns given. Again, the words are given here and that are pronouns. Number 1, she introduced dash to the guest. She introduced herself. She introduced herself to the guest. Second one, the boy hurt himself. The boy hurt himself while he was climbing up the ladder. Third one, we solved the difficult maths problem. We solved the difficult maths problem ourselves. Fourth one, the teacher asked the students to behave themselves while she was out. To behave themselves while she was out. Fifth one, by Ashok and Anu, take care of. We usually use these words that take care of yourselves. Sixth one, Seema, you must do the sum yourself. Seema, you must do the sum yourself. Seventh one, I forced myself. I forced myself to swallow the medicine. Eighth one, she did all the household chores herself. Ninth one, my grandfather talks to himself sometimes. My grandfather talks to himself sometimes. Now after this, students, let's come to the next question, that is the F1. Add proper question words to the following. Now these are the question words. It means interrogative pronouns. The words which, what, who, whom, all these are words that comes under interrogative pronouns. Now you can see the first one is given, by dash was the book written. By dash was the book written. So you will have to choose one from here, the options. So by whom was the book written? Second one, dash do you wish to see? Dash do you wish to see is, who do you wish to see? Then third one, dash of these books is yours. Which of these books is yours. Which of these books is yours? Then fourth one, what will you eat? What will you eat? And the fifth one, dash am I speaking to? Here, am I speaking to? So here we have done till F, and from G1 we will do in the next class. Thank you, students.